Good day and welcome. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my notebook, where in this notebook, we instructed to build a model that predicts an accurate delivery time from picking up a package to arrival at the final destination. So in this one, after build a model, I was supposed to host it at Zindi, which is the website to host Zindi challenges. Uh, so with this, this was the data that was presented to us, and also it has different variables. With these different variables, it's a mixture of numerical values and also categorical values, which I'll be speaking of at the later stage. And then this one, this is importing my packages libraries. This will assist me to analyze the data further. And then here, I've loaded my data processing, the training data. This is how it's been displayed. As you can see, it's got spaces in the column labels, of which I'll explain it later, of which in this manner, this data set is not suitable to perform my model as it has spaces, but I'll speak about it as we go along. Also, there's the test data as well as it's been displayed. It's got a different values, which is categorical data and also numeric values. And then also there's a rider's data set, which is a rider ID, number of orders. And then this is an overview of the data after it has been displayed, where you can see if there is non-values or non-values or null or not null values. Overview as well of the test info. And then cleaning up my data. This is a code whereby I've used to clean up my data so that my data set can have the columns cannot have the spaces. So if you can check there, I've replaced the spaces with the underscore so that it can be suitable while I'm doing my training as well, including the training data there as well. So I have to remove the vehicle type column as it says uh, no purpose in this model. And then just going down as well. Also in this one, I've managed to code a visual where I can able to check the patterns between the delivery time in seconds and the pickup hour as well. As you can see that during the day, the delivery time was higher. As we proceed towards the day, it get lesser in terms of the pickup hour as well on this. And then these are my identify all the columns to be dropped. These are the columns to be dropped, and then that's an overview, waiting time as well, and then also day of the month overview, dropping the original columns just before to while I go to do the modeling can be accurate as well, the pre-processing. And also you can see under the participation column, there were null values, about 97 of the null values. So I've used the sum a model to able to remove those null values, including the temperature column as well. It has about 20% of null values. So I had to use the mean strategy to able to drop those null values as well there. And then encoding of categorical data. So as you know, to building a model, you need to have numeric data set so that you can have an accurate models for your prediction as well. And then future scaling, you have to scale the data set, because as you can see, that data set can come in different scaling. It can be in a rate, which is in percentage. Some can come within numerical values. So this code will able to scale uh, in terms of standardizing or normalizing those values as well. So this is how it looks like after it's being scaled. And then these are the different models that I've applied, which is a linear regression model, decision tree, random forest, and then rich regressions as well, and the lasso. So this one I'll be displaying the models, which is in my results. As you can see that the decision tree performed bad, which is 0 marks, which is RMC training, and then the RMCE testing was better, but the reach gave me a better results whereby it was the most less than compared to other models, which is a 780.70, whereas with the random forest it gave me a 754 seconds 0.96. So yeah, so reach was the better model to be used. So in my view, what I can say is that I've learned so much in terms of applying different models. I've learned that before you apply or you implement any models, you need to clean up your data using different models. Um, you need to remove the null values, organize your data set and all that. So with this video, I'll just end here and say thank you very much for attending. Thank you.